Today we're going to talk about what is the number one goal for many of us: how to make more money and achieve financial stability. In this video, we'll introduce you to the 5 most lucrative sources of income that can change your life and help you achieve financial success. We'll break down each of these sources in detail, explain the benefits and nuances, and share tips on how to get started. Ready to learn how to earn more and achieve financial freedom? Then let's get started right after a short commercial break. All the time you will how to earn and become financially independent? Then you should definitely try the Bybit platform. This is one of the best platforms for cryptocurrency trading and investing. And with the promo code in the description, you will get your first $1,000 for registration. Chapter 1: Real Estate as a Passive Source of Income. Real estate investing. Real estate has always been considered a stable asset capable of generating income both through rent and growth in the value of properties. Let's take a detailed look at a few ways to invest in real estate. Renting residential real estate. Buying an apartment or house to rent later is a classic way of generating a steady income. The rent can cover mortgage payments and generate additional income. Renting commercial real estate. Investing in office space, stores or warehouses can generate high rental income, especially if the property is in a good location. Short-term rentals. With the rise of platforms such as Airbnb, you can rent out your home for short periods of time and profit from short-term rentals. 2 benefits of real estate investing. Why is real estate investing so attractive? Stability. Real estate is usually resistant to significant fluctuations, making it a reliable source of income. Growth in value. In the long run, real estate can increase in value, which can lead to capital investment. Rental income. Rents can steadily generate income for the owner. Diversification. Real estate investments can diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Beneficial tax breaks. Some countries provide tax breaks for real estate investors. 3 tips for getting started in real estate investing. Market research. Conduct market research to understand current trends and risks. Financial preparation. Prepare for the investment by assessing your financial capacity and take into account the maintenance costs of the property. Choosing the right property. Select a property that suits your goals: residential or commercial, new construction or second homes. Property management. Decide whether you will rent the property yourself or entrust the management to professionals. Investing in real estate can be one of the most lucrative sources of income, but requires careful preparation and research. In the next part of the video, we'll look at another lucrative source: investing in financial instruments. Stay tuned to our channel for updates and don't forget to subscribe to get the most up-to-date tips on finance and investing. Chapter 2: Investing in Financial Instruments. Let's continue our discussion on the most profitable sources of income, and this time we will pay attention to investing in financial instruments. This method brings profit through investing money in stocks, bonds, funds, and cryptocurrencies. Let's take a closer look at it in detail. 1. Investing in stocks. What are stocks? Stocks are shares in the ownership of companies. Investors buy shares in companies and become co-owners. Benefits. Investing in stocks can yield returns in the form of dividends and capital gains. As the value of the stock increases, the stock market provides an opportunity for long-term capital growth. Risks. The stock market can be volatile and stock prices can fluctuate. Investors should be prepared for the risk of losing some or all of their investment. 2. Investing in bonds. What are bonds? Bonds are debt instruments on which companies or governments pay interest and return the original amount to the investor at the end of the term. Benefits. Bonds are considered less risky than stocks and can generate steady interest income. Risks. The bond market also has its own risks, including the risk of debt default. 3. Investing in investment funds. What are investment funds? Investment funds collect money from multiple investors and invest it in stocks, bonds, and other assets. Benefits. Investment funds provide access to professional portfolio management and risk diversification. Risks. The results of investing in a fund depend on the success of fund management and market conditions. 4. Investing in cryptocurrencies. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin are digital assets that can be purchased and stored in a digital wallet. Benefits. Cryptocurrencies have a high potential to grow in value, and their blockchain technology promises to revolutionize the financial industry. Risks. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and investors may face large price fluctuations. Investing in financial instruments offers a variety of lucrative investment opportunities, but requires good preparation, research, and strategy. Each type of investment has its own unique characteristics, and the choice depends on your financial goals and comfort level with risk. Stay tuned to our channel for updates as we continue to look at other profitable sources of income. Chapter 3: Freelancing and Online Business as a Source of Passive Income. Passive income is not always about owning assets or a business. It can also be achieved through freelancing and online businesses. Here's how it can work. 1. Copyright and content sales. What it is. If you are the author of books, music, photos, videos, or any other content, you can sell the rights to use it. Benefits. You get royalties or commissions for every sale or use of your content, even if you no longer work on it. 2. Creating and selling digital products. What it is. You can create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, software, templates, and more. Benefits. Once you create a product and launch it in the market, you can sell it endlessly without any extra effort. 3. Investing in an online business. What it is. You can invest money in startups or online businesses that promise growth and profits. Your investment can generate passive income in the form of profit shares. Advantages. With the right choice of business and competent management of your investments, you can earn passive income without actively participating in the management of the business. 4. Affiliate marketing. What it is. Advertising and promoting the products or services of other companies in order to earn commissions for each successful sale or action taken on your recommendation. Benefits. If you have a publication or blog with an active audience, affiliate marketing can generate recurring passive income. 5. Creating automated online businesses. What it is. You can create online businesses that are fully automated and can function without your active participation. Benefits. Once these businesses are up and running and set up, they can generate profits without requiring your constant attention. Freelancing and online businesses offer many opportunities to create sources of passive income. They require initial effort, but with the right approach, they can generate a steady income in the future. To summarize, knowing about passive income sources is the key to financial independence and freedom. So, passive income is not limited to just these 3 ways, but they are reliable and proven paths to financial stability. Choose the one that best suits your goals and resources and begin your journey to financial freedom. Remember, passive income takes time and effort at the beginning, but its potential for financial growth and independence is priceless.